Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Factors and Multiples chapter, Exercise 5. Exercise 5. Question number 5. There is a rectangular shaped room as shown on the right. Here, I just drawn it here, made it bigger for you so that you can understand and see easy. And the question says, we want to pave square shaped carpets on the floor. They want to cover the floor with square shaped carpets. Square shaped. We know square. Square means its length and width is same. And when we say rectangular shape means length is bigger than width. Here it is 42 meter length and width is 36 meter. So we want to pave square shaped carpets on the floor of this room without leaving any space, means completely they want to cover with the square shaped carpets. Now question is number 1, find the length of the side of the largest square shaped carpet that can pave the floor. What is the largest square shaped carpet? The length of the side. Here they didn't say how many carpet you will need to cover the floor. They said just the largest length, the length of the largest carpets. That means you may need 5, you may need 500, you may need 100, doesn't matter. But you have to find the biggest square that you can use to cover the floor. So actually, whatever is the length of this square, it has to be a factor of 42. Otherwise, how it will cover this length? If it has to cover the length 42 meter, it has to be a factor of 42. So we can write that the number has to be a factor of 42. Again, it has to be a factor of 36. Otherwise, there will be a part of the floor left or uncovered. So it has to be a factor of 42. So a factor of 36. A factor of 36 as well. So what we call a number that is a factor of 42 and a factor of 36, we call that a common factor. A common factor. And a common factor, as they said, find the side of the largest square shape, means it has to be as big as possible. That means the common factor has to be the biggest, or we call that a highest common factor. Highest common factor. We call that a highest common factor. Here we have to find the highest common factor of 42 and 36, of 36 and 42, and that will be the answer to question number 1. So let us find the highest common factor of 36 and 42. 36 and 42. Divide this. We know how to find HCF. Just divide with a prime factor. Number 2 divides both. So 18 into 2, 21 into 2. So again we can divide with 3. Divide by 3, 3 into 6, 3 into 7. And that is it. There is no other number that divides both. So 2 and 3, 2 into 3 is the HCF. HCF is 2 into 3 equals to 6. Therefore, the side of the square is 6 meter. Unit is meter, so it is metre, 6 meter. Now we got the side of the square, and that is the answer. Answer 6 meter. So we already have done number 1. Now we will do number 2. What number 2 asks? How many such carpets are necessary to pave the floor? The carpet, the square-shaped carpet, you will need more than one, definitely. So how many carpets you actually need? Here you see it is 42 meter length, and the floor is 42 meter in length, and the carpet is 6 meter. So how many carpets you need for one row? This is 7. 7 into 6 is 42. And there is how many row? 36 meter width. So 6 into 6 is 36. So 6 rows. So we understand 6 into 7, total 42 carpets we will need. So if we divide the area of the floor by the square area, we get how many carpets we will need. It's very easy. So let's find the area of the square is area of the square equals to 6. This is 6 meter. 6 meter. So 6 into 6. 6 into 6 meter, square meter. This will be square meter in case of area. Square meter equals to 36 square meter. Now area of the rectangular area of the rectangular floor equals to 42 into 36 square meter equals to 42, 36, let us multiply. 6 into 2, 12, 25, 6, 12, 2, 11, 5, 1, 1, 5, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 2 square meter. So number of carpets, therefore number of carpets equals to 1512 divided by 36 equals to, that is divided by 36. So 4 into 6, 24. 2, 3 into 4, 12. 12 and 2, 14. So here we get 7 and 2, 72. So this is 42. The answer is 42. How many carpets we need to cover? 42 carpets, square shaped. So thank you everyone. I hope you could follow me. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.